Pause your scroll. Bees have a secret language you've never heard. Deep inside a beehive, communication isn't all about buzzing or dancing. Some bees send messages through tiny vibrations that travel silently through the honeycomb. When a bee wants to alert her sisters to danger or share news about a rich food source, she grips the waxy comb and rapidly vibrates her body. These vibrations move through the wax like silent phone calls, reaching other bees even in the dark. Crowded hive, where sound alone wouldn't work. One famous example is the stop signal, a short burst of vibrations that tells fellow bees to pause or avoid a dangerous area. It's like a warning text message, but with body shakes. These signals are incredibly precise. Bees can even change the frequency, duration, and pattern of their vibrations to share different types of information. Scientists have used sensitive equipment to detect and study these signals, proving that bees are expert communicators, even when words or sounds aren't an option. So next time you see a bee, remember, there's a whole silent conversation buzzing beneath your feet, full of complex messages and teamwork. Like and subscribe before the hive starts another round of secret messages.